You think she doesn't notice you, don't you? The way you pause mid-sentence when she walks by. The way your eyes search for hers in a room full of people. The way your silence becomes louder in her absence. But let me tell you something. She notices. She always has. She just pretends she doesn't. Not because she doesn't care, but because she's scared. Scared of choosing wrong again. Scared of loving more than she's loved back. Scared of making space in her heart for someone who might only stay for a season. You're not her only option. There are others, louder, bolder, maybe richer. Men who know how to say the right things, but not how to feel them. They offer her promises wrapped in charm. You offer silence, but a silence full of meaning. And that might just be enough. But you wonder, how do I win her heart when she already has hands reaching for it? You don't win a heart by shouting louder. You win it by listening deeper. She's tired of words. She's lived years buried under sweet lies. She doesn't want poems anymore. She wants presence. She wants someone who doesn't just say, "I'm here for you," but actually is. So next time you see her, don't try to impress her. Notice the way her fingers fidget when she's nervous, the way her voice cracks when she talks about her childhood, the way she changes the subject when you get too close to her pain. She won't make it easy. She'll test you, not out of cruelty, but out of fear. Fear that, once again, someone will hold her for a moment, and then let her go when she needs to be held the most. And maybe that's where your silence becomes your strength. Let her talk. Let her fall silent. Let her be confusing. Let her cry and not explain why. You don't need to fix her, you just need to stay. And one day, when the room is quiet and she thinks you're just another heartbeat passing through her life, that's when she'll lean into you, just slightly, almost unwillingly, and you'll feel it. That shift, that unspoken moment where she lets you in, just a little. Maybe that night, she'll be standing near the window, looking out at nothing but city lights, and you'll walk up behind her, not to invade, but to remind her she's not alone anymore. You won't say a word. You'll just wrap your arms around her from behind, and for the first time in a long time, she won't pull away. She'll exhale, like she's been holding her breath for years, and you were the reason she finally let it go. That's not just a hug. That's her choosing you. Not because you're her only option, but because you were the one who saw her when everyone else was just looking. She'll whisper something like, "Why are you still here?" And your answer will be simple, "Because I never wanted to be anywhere else." That's how you win her heart. Not by being better than others, but by being truer than all of them. So don't chase her. Understand her, don't impress her, feel her. And when the time comes, don't ask for her heart. Hold it gently, like it's already yours, because maybe it always was.